Are you looking for a lipstick which is long lasting, matte, very comfortable on your lips, does not feel like you have put a paint on your lips, does not crack, does not create too much of texture, and you're looking for this lipstick to wear it on a daily basis, then this is the video where I'll be revealing one of my favorite lipsticks and one of my favorite brand which I use on a daily basis to put lipstick on my lips. And this is something which is really comfortable. You will not feel like you have put something, and quite affordable at the same time as well. So if you really want to know which brand it is and how and what is the uniqueness of this entire formulation and the brand, then stay tuned with the video till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanya and I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, a fashion, beauty and lifestyle influencer, a makeover, bridal and skin consultant as well. So in this video, I will be revealing one of my personal favorite lipstick brand and the formulation which I use on a daily basis, and I really love the feel of it because it doesn't feel like I have put something and still stays on my lips for a really long time. And I'll also be revealing like 2-3 different ways or tricks, or maybe you can say hacks, to use this particular lipstick to create a lot of other things as well in terms of mixing and matching the shades, and how I use it in other ways as well. So for that you have to stay tuned with the video till the end to actually know how I exactly use it. Time to reveal the brand, and I have only 3 shades of this particular range and I have bought it myself because till now I don't receive PR packages. So yes, I have bought it all 3, and all these 3 are one of my favorites because of course when I buy lipsticks I'm really cautious about what shades I'm using. I just don't randomly buy anything because there are so many similar shades also in the market. So I really pick things which I really like. So I will be sharing with you 3 shades, but yes, I'll be reviewing the entire texture, feel and everything about this lipstick so that it's easier for you to buy. And at the same time, right now Nykaa is having a Republic Day sale which will be lasting up to 27th of January, and the lipsticks are at huge discount. So the discount is not same on all the lipstick shades, so it starts from 15% to 50% depending on the shades, so you can check them out. And the shades are, and the lipstick is, so this one from L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Collection. So I have 3 shades over here which are mostly very famous shades, and I also like it too. So one is I Explore, another one is I Captivate, and the third one is I Lead. So these 3 shades I really like. So first I'll be talking about the texture of the lipstick. So when you talk about texture, normally when you go for a matte lipstick, it has a lot of texture. Okay, whenever you apply a matte lipstick, you'll feel like there is a layer or a very dry matte kind of a layer sitting on your lips, and it looks quite fake and it does not blend with your face. With this lipstick, it's not, it's very thin. Even if you apply a thin layer, or maybe you apply 10 layers, it will not build up into something which is not so cool to see and develops cracks and all that. So the texture is very good. It will not create the uneven bumpy or crumbly texture on your lips and make it look really fake and like you have put some kind of paint. So the texture is something which I have put on first point, which is bang on. The texture is very thin, very comfortable, and it's very wearable, and it does not feel like you have put a lipstick. Yes, the color is there, but it does not feel like you have put any lipstick. So that was my first point. So the second point is the coverage. The coverage of this lipstick is really good and it's very flexible. Like for example, there are times when I don't want to look like I have put makeup and I just want to put a little bit of hair in there on my face, and just so that it makes me look ready but not like I have done makeup. So what I do, I just take that lipstick, I swipe it once, and I just take my finger, dab it all over my lips, and yes, I'm done. And it just looks like a tint. Okay, it's like a lip tint, I can say. It is so comfortable even if you're wearing very less, and if you want to make it really pop out and stand out and have the full pigment of the lipstick, then you can just layer it up like twice or thrice, or whatever times you want, and what makes you feel satisfied with the color, texture and payoff. So yes, it's very buildable, and the formulation is really great at the same time. Let's talk about the third point. So right now also I'm wearing one of the shades, and it's so comfortable. I can feel my lips as it is. I don't feel like I have put any lipstick, which I guess is one of the major things which normally people look for when they want to wear something on a daily basis, for office wear, for normal, hanging out here and there, or whatever it is. Like, such lipsticks are real bliss. They really serve the purpose without making you feel awkward and uncomfortable having them on your lips. So this is something which is really good. I can still do like this and it's so comfortable, so comfortable. Even I can talk so comfortably. Normally when you put matte lipsticks, there are times when people become cautious that if they stretch their lips and talk too much like this, so it develops a lot of cracks. So with this, no issues at all. So the fourth point I would really like to highlight is the quantity. So it has quite a good quantity because I am using it, I guess, more than 6 months or 8 months, and I almost use it regularly, especially when I don't want to put any special kind of makeup and I just want to dig into the random regular products for a daily makeup. Yes, these are the lipsticks and shades which I use, and it's still going on, and the quantity is amazing. So it's quite affordable and the quantity is also amazing, equals to the price what you'll be paying. So it's a very much win-win thing. So connected to this, here comes point number 5, which is the price. So it's quite affordable. It retails at $650. Right now Nykaa is having sale on their website for Republic Day, which will be lasting till 27th January. So you can have these shades, and the discounts varies, as I already told you. So discount varies from 15% to 50%. So yes, you can have a really good deal. Like, if the shades are at 50% off, you can understand that it will be $325, and that's a really cool deal for such good quality lipsticks. Last but definitely not the least, point number 6 is my personal favorite point, and that is these lipsticks are really great if you have put any lipstick and you just want to change the shade, or if you are into a lot of mood of playing with the shade or experimenting with the shades. These lipsticks are so good because, first of all, because of their texture and formulation, even if you apply 1, 2 coat or 3 coat to change the base shade on your lips, it will not feel like you have put so much of layer, and this makes this lipstick perfect for blending 2-3 shades together, for recreating a different shade altogether. And this is what I generally do, and I just love this part because normally with matte lipsticks, because they dry up so quickly, it's very difficult to blend 2-3 shades. Like, you have to work really fast, but with these lipsticks it's very easy. It dries up, but it takes time. So you have that time to play, to blend, and to mix shades together to create your own shade. So that's really cool, right? So this is one of the things which I personally enjoy with these lipsticks, and no matter what lipstick I use, no matter what brand I use, I just take one of these lipsticks and just mix and match and create a different shade. And if you guys know me since really long and you follow me on my Insta stories, you must be knowing that I love playing with lipsticks and mixing and matching and playing with all the colors and textures. So this was all about the review. And one more point which I would really like to add onto this is that though it is a matte lipstick, it transfers little bit, but that doesn't bother me because that much is fine, because that little bit of moisture actually does not allow your lips to look and feel dry. It's just such a balanced formulation, guys. Like, it takes really lot to impress me when it comes to cosmetics and the formulations and all. But this lipstick is something which I really like. If I am running late or if I am just wanting to put something on my lips, this is the lipstick which I usually pick from all my other comfortable lipsticks and brands. So this is that level of comfortable to me, and it will be for you as well if you try it out. So if you try out any of these lipsticks or you're also already using it, let me know in the comment section below that how is your experience with it, and the points which I have shared with you. You can also experiment based on those things, so that if you are using it but if you want to get more out of it, you can of course try those hacks as well. So this was all about the review of L'Oreal Paris Rogue Signature lipstick and what I generally use on a daily basis. And if you are someone who is working on a corporate job or whose job is to apply makeup daily and still you want to feel comfortable, then try it out, girl. This is definitely worth it. Okay, so if you really want me to review such kind of products and other reviews as well, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I would surely try to review that product for you as well. So I will be making such more interesting reviews and makeup tutorials and beauty related videos in the near future as well. So if you don't want to miss out on that, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my videos and content. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle where I share a lot of makeup looks which I create on me, on clients, on models, on brides. So if you're interested, you can check that place as well. I guess that will also be a really good contribution to you as well. And I do share a lot of my personal stuffs and personal life stuffs on my stories, so you can stay updated from there. I also do personal consultancy related to skin, hair, body care issues, and also for makeup thing. You can always stay updated about that through my Insta stories. So for this video, this was all about it, and I really hope to see you guys soon in another video. Till then, you can like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yes, there are a lot of interesting things coming up for you, and I don't think so that you would like to miss that. So if you don't want to miss that, stay tuned.